Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. Before we dive into the micro patterns, smaller time frame, just want to start briefly on the larger time frame, just so that everybody knows, everybody who's new on the channel, and also as refresher, that the $1.20 level is key support. That's the 50% retracement of the last rally, and this is an important support level for to keep the upside expectations alive, you could say. And what we like to see is at least one more high in this fifth wave here to the upside in wave 5 of 5. This could complete a larger cycle. Okay, we might see another 4-5 pattern afterwards, another higher low and another higher high, but this would be nice to have. For now, I'm watching for one more high, and that's really what I'm watching for. Anything above is really nice to have and speculative at this stage. If one more high forms, we talk about $4.20, $5, maybe $6.60 as targets. Anything above, yeah, nice to have. So these would be the next levels to watch. And explained to you in previous updates, we can see it as a range, a little bit of a range here. Sideways action that's unfolding between $1.21 or $1.20, and maybe we can pick the next upside target as upper range boundary at $4.19, because let's face it, if there is a break into new all-time high territory, it might not, it's not necessarily the case that XRP will completely break out. It might need several attempts, like Bitcoin as well, needs several attempts to break above 100K. So it could do this and then do this, and this frustrates a lot of people. Whereas if you approach this from a range trading perspective, I mean, this is how you make money, right? It's the volatility. Okay, so this is at the moment the overall structure and my proposal for a range, which could obviously be useful for trading. Now let's take a look at the smaller time frame. What I want to do, I want to zoom in to this structure, and we want to take a look at the micro pattern, especially the move that happened from the Monday low. Not this Monday, but last Monday. Let's take a look at the micro pattern. And you can still see, I mean, if you watch the last video, not really much changed. I find Bitcoin's chart more interesting today. Also ADAs, Solana's. The reason is that on the XRP chart, it's less, I mean, let's say it differently. I mean, Bitcoin, for example, Ethereum, ADA, they show potential bottoming structures. On the XRP chart, I don't really see that. At least I don't see it. At least it's not obvious to me on the microstructures. What does that mean? It means that this here doesn't really doesn't inspire much confidence, right? With regards to, okay, we've bottomed already. The initial rally from the Monday low was in 3 waves. This here could be an A wave down, and as I said before, this might just be a B wave bounce with one more low in wave C before we then go higher. So A, B, C, this would be ideal. Surely we could break out to the upside more directly, but then I need to see some evidence for that. And because the initial rally from the Friday low is in 3 waves, also all of this looks very weak. So I would not be surprised by at least one more low, maybe a test of the $2.11 to $1.95 area. Bear in mind, the area around $1.95 is going to be very, very strong support. This is the area, the 2021 high, breakout point from December. Recent support was found in that area around 195 that was here on Monday last week. So yeah, that should be good support, and this is also where another fib level is located, the 78.6 retracement of the rally that happened between Monday and Monday. Okay, this was the intraday rally, and that 78.6 fib level is very strong because, or at least very important, because from an Elliott wave point of view, any sustained break below the 78.6 retracement is very close to invalidation, and it will typically lead to the scenario that a pattern is invalidated. So yeah, we want to avoid a break below that level. For now, I'm tracking here potential A, B, C, but I keep an open mind. We could break out directly. So this is the support area that is relevant. I showed you a bullish thesis on the larger time frame, but it might spend, or XRP might spend some time in this range. Here on the smaller time frame, we see a potential pattern that could help the price break out to the upside. The price could use this support zone as a jump-off point to rally higher. But even within this scenario, the price could spend a little bit more time in the support area. What we would need to see is a first 5-wave move up from a low. That's at the moment not happening. So I can't identify any 5-wave move up from any low, which means, yeah, surely the price could go up, but anything can happen. If we had a 5-wave move up, then we could at least say the price should go up. Should go up further. There's a difference between could and should. That's very important realization. We're here to identify the most probable pathways, but until I see that upside breakout, yeah, I mean, what I can definitely see here, this as a potential rally into resistance. And I would say this will be a key decision moment then here, because if we break above resistance, form another 4-5, yeah, then the low is likely in, because the B wave up couldn't be a 5-wave move. Ultimately, 195 is key support, and against that level, I would lean higher more directly. Yeah, that's the update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, if you're interested in more additional updates, check out our main channel, MCO Global. By the way, I'm sure when I record this video, it will already have moved to 5,000 subscribers. We're now at 4,990. I'm overwhelmed. Thanks so much for all your support. A lot of positive feedback in the comments of this channel. People love the additional content, the content which is different to the Morecryptoonline content, more in-depth, longer videos, background information. So thanks all for your support. Feel free to give feedback in the comments of the MCO Global videos. I'll post a link to the channel in the description. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.